This Samsung earbud is almost 3 years old and is still my go-to headphone. Hi, I'm Krishna with Peace Organ. Let's see how this earbud is keeping up with my needs for the audio experience and things like features, handling, battery and so on. The earbud comes in a case which is more like a capsule. It also comes in white color along with some other color options, but I have got the black one here. With its lightweight and small form factor, it's always easy to carry on your pocket and use these buds conveniently. The bud itself comes with variety of ear tip sizes like this, so that the sound is isolated. It fits in your ear and the sound is isolated, and bud doesn't fall when you are running or enjoying a hard rock music. Despite these buds being 3 years old, it was the top of the line true wireless headphone from the Samsung, and it does come with a lot of features like touch control on the buds, wireless charging, quick charge, etc. You can connect the buds with Galaxy wearable app to take more control over the customizing the buds interface, like double tap to increase volume, long press to trigger Google Assistant, or accept or reject calls with a single tap, and choose to listen to the surrounding sound or not. As the Galaxy Buds is designed for Android, it is still possible to use with Apple iOS, except customization part will not be possible because of Galaxy wearable app not available for the iOS devices. Well, it is more than important that if you are buying a costly headphone, you get the top-notch audio experience. And Samsung earbuds is tuned by AKG, that means you will not be disappointed with its sound quality at highs, mids and lower frequency. I am enjoying a balanced sound, but don't expect a deeper bass. You can also change the audio experience or audio preferences using the wearable apps to your liking, but I stayed on the dynamic setting for my music and podcast listening, and it is still a great experience. Unlike some TWS headphones where you can flip the case easily to put buds in your ear, this Samsung earbuds seems to be a bit flimsy, as the magnets used to attach the buds inside is not that strong and may leave its place if you are clumsy, and if you drop the case even from a lower height, the buds come out so easily. This is quite boring, isn't it? Samsung claims the battery of the buds will last for about 6 hours of listening, while the case will give you extra 16 hours of juice. But as this is already 3 years old, I am still getting 70 to 80% of the battery life claimed for the new PS. While the new earbuds from Samsung has active noise cancelling, I still feel that the way this Galaxy earbuds sits in your ears will give you an immersive audio, great battery life with the case, sound tuned by AKG, and handy wireless charging are what I enjoy the most out of these buds. Please do subscribe to this channel if you are into a technology squad, or maybe you want to learn more on technology. Also hit that bell icon so that you won't miss a single video from me. Thank you for watching and coming to Peace Organ family. Namaste.